Hi everyone, I'm Payal. Welcome back to Payal and Heschel. This is our today's dish.
So our today's recipe is American chopsy. American chopsy is not an American dish; it's an Indian dish with some Indian masalas. So let's check out the recipe.
First, we will look at the ingredients. Here we have chopped carrots, capsicum, onions, tomatoes, green chili, some chicken breast, tomato sauce, vinegar, green chili, soya sauce, and noodles, and little ginger garlic paste, near about 1 tablespoon.
Our today's recipe is dedicated to all those mothers who are working hard to bring a little smile to their kids' faces by making new dishes. So we have tried a creative dish. You can decorate it with your own creativity.
Let's continue with the recipe. Boil some water in a pan, add salt and add the noodles and let them boil. Don't break the noodles because in the recipe we want long noodles. When the noodle becomes soft like this, turn off the flame and rinse the noodles with some cold water. Add oil to the noodles so they don't stick together. Mix the oil with noodles like this and keep it aside. Heat up some oil in a pan. Add the vegetables. Saute for a minute or so. As you can see, the vegetables are chopped in a dice shape, so they are not sliced or minced down. They should be little dice shape like this. Add salt, black pepper, and then saute a little. You have to keep in mind that you have to saute the vegetables in very high flame, like this. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Mix all things together. Now add the chicken and saute in a low flame till the chicken changes its color. Add a little vinegar, near about 1 spoon, and saute all things together in a very high flame so all spices get mixed up. Now take a bowl, add tomato sauce 2 tablespoon, soya sauce 2 tablespoon, and green chili sauce 1 tablespoon because we have added raw green chili in it. Mix all sauces together. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar in it and mix it all together. Add the mixture to the pan. Saute it in a high flame. And add water and let it boil for 20 minutes so the vegetable gets cooked and the chicken gets soft. I want to clear one thing. Okay, the spice is up to you. If you want more spicy, you can add more chilies, more chili sauce, and if you want less spicy, add less chilies, less chili sauce. Now take a small pan and heat up some oil. Now we will fry the noodles. Okay. Now here we have given the noodles a round shape. Okay, you can give it any kind of shape you want. Fry it till it's crispy enough. Like this. It should be move around in oil. I will show you another one. Here. Just give it a round shape and fry it overall till it's become crisp, and the bottom should be golden brown. Okay. Now when it will be done, it will be moved like this. Here how beautiful it's moving in oil. See, the bottom is golden brown here. Now what you can do, you can directly put it in the pan with your hands like this. It will save much time. It is big in size. You have to flip it around so that it gets cooked from both sides. So when one side is done, you flip it around so another side can be fried like this. Yeah.
Here we have tried two ways to decorate it, actually to serve it. Like first one is we have fried the noodles.
Like here we have fried the noodles. Here we are showing the noodles. The back side should be like this, crisp, and the top should be little more soft. Now you will put the gravy which we have cooked earlier on top of it like this, and your crispy American chopsy is ready to serve. It looks delicious, isn't it? I'm sure your kids will love it.
Secondly, what you can do is just put the gravy on top of the boiled noodles. You don't need to fry the noodles. Okay. So tip is for those who are not willing to have fried things. Okay.
So try it with boiled noodles. Here. You just have to put the gravy on top of the boiled noodles. You can add some salt and black pepper to it.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, share it with your friends and hit the bell icon. Thank you.